Hello, welcome to my closet. Hey y'all, welcome to Maddie Pants. That sounded real southern. So a few days ago, our closet rack, we have one long closet and just one long rack. I guess we had too much on it because it just came down all in one piece. All of our hanging clothes on the floor. No one was home, so how it happened, the world may never know, but evidently the weight of it just got too heavy and it broke down. We've all been there. So I had to pry all of my clothes off. They're currently piled on the spare bedroom bed, and I'm gonna haul them all in here and I'm gonna declutter and sort them and get rid of some. I have to take this as a sign from the universe that I have too much clothing. I know, we're all shocked. We're also actually moving soon, more on that later. So it seemed like the perfect time to declutter. All right, let me go get my pile. Come on, guys. I have a few pieces of clothing, okay? Just a little bit. Just a few pieces. It's hardly anything. I don't have a problem. All right, I got a lot to work with here, so I think I'm just gonna try and like Marie Kondo it, where when I pick up something I love, it goes right into the closet, and if I don't have immediate reaction of love, then it goes off to the side to be dealt with later. And they're in no particular category. I mean, they were in my closet. You know, I had all my skirts and pants and dresses together, but they have since been shuffled around a bit. So that will be very fun. I'm gonna need sustenance. Not sponsored. All right, let's do this. I bought this jumpsuit for my dressing like an Instagram influencer. I think I wore it one time. Oh, I did take the tag off, but I did stash the tag in the pocket. You know what? I don't have immediate love for it. I kind of have a small pile started of like things I need to try on again. I think this is gonna go in there. I have this lacy bodysuit that I bought for our cruise. Another bodysuit I bought for our cruise that I don't even remember if I wore it on the cruise. So maybe when I rouse up the courage, I'll try all this on. Yikes. I made this shirt. This was a $5 Five Below t-shirt that I cut myself and wore to Infinity War, I think. And you know what? I love it. I'm keeping it. This isn't even all the white t-shirts I own. This is 3 of maybe like 7. This was the shirt I bought from Walmart. Oh, yep, still has the tag on it. I don't know why though, because I cut off the sleeves and used them for my Ray costume when I turned myself into a reindeer. I'm keeping it. It can go in like the costume section of my closet where I have all my old Halloween costumes. Actually, do you think it's cute on? I mean, it's not like super flattering, but it ain't half bad. Oh no, I broke a hanger somewhere deep down. I'm currently listening to Nick DeRamio. I think that's how you say his name. He's a YouTuber and he's analyzing Logan Paul's movie. Funny video, highly recommend. We have moved on to the Shein skirt section of this haul. I think I bought most of these for my like Bachelor in Paradise video. And I wore a bunch when we stayed at Grand Destino Tower. That was like a year ago because that was for our 3-year anniversary. And we just celebrated our 4-year anniversary, me and my boyfriend Steven. so I'm keeping them. Just kidding. I think this one's more of just like a wrap. It's not even a true skirt. I think she can go in the try on maybes pile. This one is a set, so it comes with the skirt and a little tube top. Will I ever wear this as a set? Probably not, but I really like the skirt. I think the skirt is cute, so I'm keeping it for now. This is gonna be rough. Found my best in the verse shirt. See, it's Serenity. If you watch Firefly, then you know. I'm such a relatable nerd. I watch Firefly. I do very much like the show Firefly though, and I bought this shirt because I love it so much. I feel like it goes hand in hand with my Cabbage's Bossing Say shirt, which I don't know where that is. Guess I'll find it. Okay, like I know I haven't worn this shirt in a while, but I love this shirt. I don't want to get rid of it. Not going to. Keeping it. This would be a really good shirt to wear to Halloween Horror Nights. R.I.P. I wanted to wear this shirt for this video, but I couldn't find it. Oh yeah, now I look like a cool kid from The Sandlot. I've actually never seen The Sandlot, so I have no idea. All right, now some of these button-up shirts I'm gonna put in the try-on pile because I purchased them when my boobs were much smaller, so. Okay, I know this red dress doesn't fit me the best. I wore it on our Christmas cruise in December and it's really, really short on me, but I love it so much, so it's going back in the closet. Yeah. All right, I thought this one was gonna go back in the closet, but the strap just broke off of it, so thank you for what you've done for me. Moving on. Wow, my camera is face tracking Mona Lisa, but not my face. This is a keeper. Found it. Found my Bossing Say Cabbages shirt. I guess I never explained in the last video of when I wore this. This is from Avatar, The Last Airbender, not the blue people, The Last Airbender. And if you haven't watched the show, what are you doing with your life? It's probably, I kid you not, the best TV show I've ever seen, ever. So it's on Netflix, do yourself a favor. Who am I kidding? You've already seen it. This is my jewelry and hair accessories hanger that I've had since college, and you know what? It works really well. So I should probably go through this and eliminate some jewelry, but that's for future Maddie to worry about. Into the closet she went. Ah, good thing my lacy black tank top was amongst all of these sweaters. For a girl who lives in Florida, I sure got a lot of sweaters. Ugh. Oh. Breaking my arm. Don't worry, y'all. My Christmas sweater that I bought, you know, in probably November of last year. Still lights up. Got one light, got two lights, going strong. How? I don't know. Oh, I forgot that this sweater was a Santa, but instead of reindeer, he has pterodactyls. You know, classy Christmas attire. Oh, this hanger is broken, so just like my dreams. That wasn't funny. That's not relatable. Just like the rest of 2020. These are heavy. This is probably why my shelf went down in the first place. And you know what? I'm not getting rid of any of them. So, sorry, shelf. I look good in sweaters, okay? I love all of them. I don't want to get rid of any. Alright, so this is my discard pile, which honestly is not much, and I probably won't even discard all those things. But here is my closet. It looks like there's a little bit more breathing room in here, you know? I think when we move into the new house, I'll do that trick where you put all of your hangers like this, and then when you wear something, you turn it back around, and so then when you're done, like everything you haven't worn is turned the other way. I guess I could do that now, but like I don't want to. All right, I think now what I need to do is try on some of these guys and see what's going back on the shelf and what's going in the donate box. This is a Nike tank top and I love it. I like love the flowers going through the logo, but I bought it like at a sale, so there weren't a lot of sizes left, and it is way too small on me. I really should let it go. Sorry, Nike shirt. This black dress I have never worn. It still has the Forever 21 tag on it, and I don't think I ever will wear it. This is like a little slinky beach cover up. I don't really wear these. If I'm going to the pool, I wear like my big like tank top dress. I think you served your purpose well, sir, but you have been voted off the island. This dress, super cute. I used to wear this a good bit. It's pretty comfortable too. Don't know if it fits me anymore, so maybe I should try it on. All right, technically it still fits. Aw, it's so, I love like the acid wash denim, but as you can see, it doesn't quite fit me anymore. Might be time to thank it and send it on its way. I'm sad. And it has pockets, like, you know what? Maybe it can live on in the back of my closet. All right, now I bought these shorts and these shorts that I'm currently wearing, both from Amazon, both for my cruise. These are still really cute and they have pockets. However, the ones I'm wearing, am I a clown or are they cute? Like they're really cute color, but they're not the most flattering. It's a no for me, dog. All right, my camera battery is gonna die any second now, so hopefully I can rapid fire through the rest of these. Houston, we have a gaping hole. Hello, I am Miss Pants, casual business lady. A chambray shirt is a touch too small, just a touch. Hulking out. This ain't it, fam. This ain't it. I really want to like this like off the shoulder white top, but y'all, it is so tight. You can see like straight through to my bra. Like I think I'm gonna keep it, but I don't think I'm ever gonna wear it. What's wrong with me? I don't know. Ooh, leave me a comment down below. Should I keep this or toss it? Haha, I'll make y'all decide. All right, this is a top I bought to be a pirate. It's from Shein and it is cheap crap. Let me tell you, I don't foresee myself like ever wearing this. I mean, like not even to a music festival because it doesn't fit well. If I pull the top part tighter, it's gonna make this part tighter and the lace is already overlapping here. If I tuck it into something like really high-waisted, it's not that bad. Maybe I'll save it for a costume in the future. Yeah, I think this goes in the costume closet. Boy. All right, this is still really cute. Like it's just a big green jumpsuit, but so comfortable. It has pockets. I mean, I probably won't realistically wear it again, but I'd rather put it in my closet and then get rid of it after a year if I don't wear it again. This thing is comfy. All right, so this is my final discard pile. Obviously, it's not as much as I wanted it to be, but I still have more clothes to declutter. I'll take you along in that process as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing and maybe I'll make another video. All right, bye y'all. Oh, I'm recording? I didn't mean to start recording. Does my hair loop look weird? Yeah, a little bit. Oh, now I got one sticking out here. Lord, help me.